You have your script and shot list ready, so how do you know what to film first? Figuring out the shooting schedule is usually the assistant director's job, and there's a pretty standard rule of thumb when it comes to prioritizing your shots. Start with your widest shots and then gradually move in towards your close-ups and inserts. This is because it's easier to control the elements involved in a tighter shot. And you'll definitely want to keep this in mind when filming exteriors. Plan for your wider shots first while the sun is nice and strong so that by the time you get to your medium and close-ups, you can supplement some of that lost or changed light with your own lights. If you have a scene with a lot of background actors, you can start wrapping some of them as you wrap up those wider shots, which will save you some money down the line. Remember, if it's not in the shot, you don't need it. So if you can only see 5 background actors in your close-up, you don't need all 20 of them that you needed for the wide shot. Other factors like actor and location availability will affect how you schedule your day, but for the most part, going wide to close is how you'll start your planning process. Let me know what else you'd like to learn about. My name is Natalie Chau, and leave a comment if you learned something new.